Tell us more about yourself.
I am hard worker, passionate, consistent, and disciplined.
Why do you think you are the best candidate for the job?
I am very committed worker. I love challenges and I have will to succeed. I am motivated person. I have ability to learn fast which will facilitate the training period
Why do you apply for this position?
because I am looking for a job. I want to advance my career, experience, and a position that allows me to grow as person and employee.
What are your strengths?
I can work under a lot of pressure. I am amazing problem solver. I am a persistent person. I don't give up very easily. My defendability, I can make a decision under a lot of pressure. I can be able to work with a little, no supervision, willing to learn new things, easy to adopt, friendly, reliable, expensive, and punctual.
What is your biggest weakness?
I can do be committed to my work and don't spend enough to time with the other social activities. I work too hard. I care too much about my work.
Do you prefer to work independently or on team?
They are both favorites.
How do you handle stress or pressure?
I work well under pressure because I prepare for it before it comes. I try to stay calm as possible focused to get a job done. I prioritize my responsibilities so I can a clear idea of what is needed to be done. That helps me to effectively manage pressure.
What is your salary requirement?
I am expecting to get a job offer what is a realistic and reasonable.
Where do you see yourself in 5 to 10 years?
My long-term goals involve growing in a company where I can continue to learn and contribute as much as value as I can.